Hello guys, how's it going? Today we're gonna prepare rolling dogs with my pals, Juan! Woo! Come on, jump in! Okay, then we got Sofi! And then we got Alejo! That's Alejo over there. And finally, Maleja! Yeah, that's the best! Okay guys, so catch you later guys!
Bye.
Hey, what guys? So what you doing? What you doing, Juan?
Chop the onions.
You're chopping the onions. That's quite cool. And Maleja, what are you doing?
I put the pan on the stuff with the oil.
Okay, we got the oil. Got it.
Charango. Yeah.
Okay, so Maleja's putting the pan on the stove with some oil. So and Juan continue chopping the onions.
Secret.
Do you cry when you chop the onions?
No.
No, you don't cry. Okay, cool.
No,
That's awesome. So what's next now?
I wait it.
Yeah, so we wait to it warms up. So what are you doing now, Maleja?
Now we put sausages on the pan
Okay.
and remove.
You're gonna remove all the plastic that it covers. Okay, cool.
Yes, I am.
So right now I'm supervising what you're doing. Okay, cool. Juan, what you doing now?
I put the onions in water.
Okay, put the onions in water. So you already chopped the onions. That's a small quantity of onions. Okay, got it.
For the taste is not that strong.
Okay.
It's important.
Okay. Yeah.
It's a secret. Only secret in my kitchen.
Got it.
Oh,
Clean
the kitchen.
Yes, yeah, we clean the kitchen. I think that's the good thing about good chefs. They clean the kitchen all the time.
Exactly.
So now Maleja is frying the sausages over there, right?
Alright.
Okay, that sounds good.
Around 5 minutes.
That's every 5 minutes. You got tortillas already over there?
Yes. Put the cheese.
Okay, you're gonna put the cheese in.
Put in the microwave.
Okay, so you're gonna put the tortillas into the microwave?
With the cheese in
Okay.
the microwave.
Okay.
Yes.
Got it.
My husband is very important.
Yeah. It's very popular now. Yeah. Yes. Cooking with Juan.
Cooking
That's the name of the show. Yeah.
is important. Move the sausages.
Yeah, you gotta move the sausages, but not too much, or what?
5 and later.
Other 5. Okay.
Other 5.
Alejo, what are you doing? What are you gonna do now?
I put the cheese on the tortilla.
Okay, so you put in the cheese in the tortilla. That sounds good and looks delicious too. And Maleja, what are you doing now?
I'm putting this into the microwave.
Okay, cool. Okay, how long are you gonna put them into the microwave, Maleja?
20 seconds.
Okay, 20 seconds. That's cool. Okay, meanwhile, I think Alejo's gonna help us with those tacos, right? Cool. So come in.
How's it going?
Hey, bro, how's it going? Good? Everything alright? Cool. So what are you gonna help us?
Are you smart?
Okay, you're gonna smash the tacos. Okay.
Yes. Delicious nowadays.
You need the bowl? Okay.
We put
Yeah.
in bowl.
Okay, you put the tacos in a bowl. Okay. Cool. Try to open them and put them in the bowl. Got it. You're strong, Alejo. You're strong. Like Hercules. Or like Superman. I don't know. Thor. Yeah, that's another superhero. Right?
Smash everything.
Yeah. Yeah, come on. Smash those tacos. With all your power.
You can.
You can.
Liar power.
It smells good, the sausages.
Yes.
everything already? Okay, cool.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Okay.
Thank you. Maleja, you can bring the tortillas, please.
Here you are, honey.
Got it. Yeah. Good. So what do you got over there? You got the sausages?
Good
Or?
sausages.
Yeah, they look ready and delicious.
Okay, we made the rolling dogs like this. First, putting sausages in tortilla with the cheese.
Okay.
One for one tortilla.
Okay.
One sausages.
One sausage for one tortilla.
tortilla.
Okay, cool.
Put the ketchup
Yeah.
and the mustard.
Okay. Oh, it smells good and it looks good too.
Yes.
Yeah. Majaja, what are you doing, Majaja? Putting, what is that? Mustard, right?
Mustard, yes.
Ah, okay, that's the mustard. So now you're wrapping
Put the
toast tacos,
tacos.
right?
I think los tacos is the secret. Better taste, maybe less spicy.
It's spicy.
Spicy.
Okay, what else? What else do we need?
Baby spoon.
Okay. I guess it's a teaspoon. Yeah.
Teaspoon. Two with
So
onion.
you put in the onion.
And then roll the tortillas.
Okay, then
And
you're gonna roll the
finish.
tortillas.
And next is serve and eat.
Okay, that looks really, really good. Looks good, it looks good, it looks good. It looks good and delicious. Yeah.
Oh,
This is
What
What
rolling dog.
else?
the best. The best.
Got it. Cool. What else now?
We take the tortillas or rolling dogs on the table.
Okay.
Sophie, can you make the lemonade, please?
Okay, cool. So now Sofi! What up, Sofi? Good?
Good.
Okay, so you're gonna help us with the lemonade, right? Cool. Okay, so what do we need?
The water.
Okay. Okay, we need the water over here.
And the
And the lemons. How many lemons do we need? 3, 4, 6? Okay, 6 lemons. Okay, cool. Got it. Go ahead. So now what do you do?
Next, the table.
Okay, so you're gonna take the, okay, that's the cutting tool. Okay,
Put the lemons
Okay.
on half.
okay. Gonna cut the lemons in half. Cutting the lemons in half. Okay, cool. So you're gonna have like, so you have 6 lemons, that would be like 12 halves.
Next,
Yeah.
put the water on the blender.
Okay, you're putting the water on the blender.
And put the lemons on the blender.
Okay. Entire, okay, the whole lemons, okay. Okay. Now you cover the blender and you have to plug, okay, you have to plug the blender first. Yeah.
Next, blend the
The lemons
lemons
with the water,
for
okay.
5 or 10 seconds.
Okay.
Next, I need a pitcher and how do you say colador?
Strain.
A strain.
So now you're gonna strain the lemonade into this pitcher, right?
And a spoon.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Okay. Now you mix a little bit so you can have all the juice. That was next.
And that's it.
And that's it. Yeah. So now you're gonna take the lemonade to the table, right?
Yes.
Cool. Okay. Cool. Just take it. Then. Hey, Alejo, what you doing?
I make in the table.
Okay, you're making a table. Cool. What you doing?
I bring in the placement.
Okay, you bring the plate, man.
Yeah.
How many plates? How many plates do we need? One.
Six, 5.
Okay, make 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay, what else? What else do you need?
I bring in the coaster.
Okay, for the glasses. Okay, the coasters. Guys, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
5. Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, got it.
I bring in the napkins.
The napkins. Okay.
Then I bring in the glasses.
The glasses.
Yes. 5 glasses.
Okay, got it. What else?
And I bring in the tostacos.
Okay. We got the tacos.
Two
Okay, 2 bowls.
bowls the tostacos. Three bowls. Tostacos.
Okay, 3 bowls of the tacos. Got it.
Okay. Then rolling dog.
Oh, and then the rolling dogs. Yeah. That's good. So we got 1, 2,
5 rolling dog.
5 rolling dogs. We got 4
5.
and 5. Cool. So now let's call everybody to eat. What is Sofi, Macaca, Juan? Come over.
Please. This is for me.
Looks yummy.
Wait, the lemon, please.
Yeah, you forgot the lemonade.
Forget.
Yeah.
This
Because you're gonna be thirsty.
for Andrew. For me? Yes. This is with onion. Exactly.
I bring in the lemon.
The lemonade. Okay, so bringing the lemonade. Yeah, I was missed.
Okay,
Okay, guys. So this is the result. Here, Juan and Macaca, they were preparing the rolling dogs. Sophie was preparing the lemonade. And Alejo was making the table, right? Cool. And I was supervising. And now I'm gonna taste these delicious rolling dogs. So I hope you like the video, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.